the problem of finding the value of the inverse tangent of negative square root of 3. Let's break this down step by step. Our problem is to find the value of tan inverse of negative square root of 3. Remember, when we see inverse tangent, we're looking for the angle whose tangent is the given value. To visualize this, let's consider the unit circle. Here's our unit circle with radius 1. We have our x-axis and y-axis. Now, let's consider an angle theta in this circle. In the unit circle, the tangent of an angle is the ratio of the y-coordinate to the x-coordinate of the point where the angle's terminal side intersects the circle. Let's mark this point. Now, we're looking for the angle where the tangent is negative square root of 3. The negative tells us we're in the second or fourth quadrant. The square root of 3 is approximately 1.732, which means the absolute value of y is greater than the absolute value of x. Given these conditions, we know that the angle we're looking for is in the second quadrant. In fact, it's the angle that's 60 degrees or pi over 3 radians above the negative x-axis. Therefore, the inverse tangent of negative square root of 3 is negative pi over 3 or negative 60 degrees. This is our final answer. To recap, we used our knowledge of the unit circle and the properties of tangent to solve this inverse trigonometric function. Remember, inverse tangent always gives us an angle between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2.